This is POCO C40, and today we would like to show how you can set Opera as your default browsing app on this device. So the first way to do that is by launching the settings. Then you need to enter the apps category. Once at the apps page, you want to go for the manage apps. In here at the top right corner, you'll find these three vertical dots. In here, in the pop-up menu, go for the default apps, browser, and in here simply tap on Opera, therefore selecting it as your default app for browsing. The second way is being executed directly from the Opera application, so let's launch it. Once at the Opera, tap on your avatar, that is usually located at the bottom right corner, then go for settings by tapping on the cog icon. And once at the settings page, look for the default browser section. Or of course it is not present over here since I've already set it as my default browser, so let me just set some other one real quick. So I'll go for Mi browser, for example. I will quickly relaunch the Opera, get myself back into the settings, and in here now we'll be able to find the default browser section which you want to tap on, then click on the blue next button, select Opera once again and choose to set it as default option. Alrighty, so that would be pretty much it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.